Adding borrowers or entering borrowers into the loan servicing soft system is pretty simple. Um, there are a couple of ways of entering borrowers. Um, First off, you might be entering a loan and you might want to enter a borrower during that process, in which case you would create a loan and then add the borrower to that loan. But what if you have a borrower that has multiple loans with you and you already have that borrower, um, or you want to enter that borrower in the system just as a borrower, not associated with any particular loan as of yet, and then you can apply that borrower to multiple loans. So if you want to just enter a borrower, you can come here to Contacts and make sure you're in the borrower folder here, hit Add, and we're going to go ahead and add a borrower. And the borrower can either be a person, like John Q. Smith here, or the borrower could be a company, like John Q. Smith LLC, and we check this box and he's a company. On this contact record, this borrower contact record, we're going to have this main screen with all of John Q. Smith's particular contact information, web password, and email and so forth. We also give you a classification tab for classifying John Q. Smith into a particular group or category. We give you a screen of user-definable fields. Both of these screens are completely user-definable. And then we have John Q. Smith's trust account for money flowing in and out of the system, ACH, docs, and log, audit trail. So here's John Q. Smith, and he is now created as a contact, and I can now apply him to loans. I can also enter borrower contacts in the system, through a loan. So I can create a loan real quick here, and then go to the borrower tab, and I can enter new borrowers by clicking this button and going through that process I just showed you. Or I can go select a borrower that I already have entered in the system. This borrower may or may not have another loan. Let's go grab John Q here. And there's John Q. Smith. I can now have other borrowers or co-borrowers or guarantors assigned to this loan as well. And again, I can put them in fresh, or I can go grab them from the list. So here's Andrew Walters, and Andrew's going to be a guarantor. And we can go grab Irene Impound, and Irene can be the co-borrower. Right, so we're making a loan to John Q. Smith and Irene Impound, and we've got a guarantor here of Andrew Walters. And we have a full contact record for each, and you can have an unlimited number of borrowers, co-borrowers, guarantors, etc. And that's it. Thank you.